So the Maverick is a little bit curious about some of our top young stars, including Brianna Lyston from Haydn and Brian Levell of Edwin Allen, competing at a private track meet in the United States over the weekend. So I think to myself that these are two of our most promising juniors. They ran a lot of races at Champs. They both ran multiple events at Carifta. Then they were off to the Penn Relays, and right away they were off to the USA again to compete in this private meet. And I have two concerns. Now, first of all, the workload. For two of our best prospects, they are both eligible and qualified to compete at the World Under-20s coming up in August. So this is going to be a very, very long season. And then they're all over the place around. Next concern. Would the likes of Brianna Lyston and Brian Levell take off and go to the US to compete in a private track meet for free? And if they did not compete for free, are they gone pro? Does anyone know? And if they did travel there and competed for free, my, that means they got the better of me. Well done.